Hello, this video is to show you how to alter the events in the app squad timing. The first thing you do is click on the tags for events, and in this window what you can see is the event order on the left and the unused events on the right. What we can do here is if you touch to the left of the boxes, you can scroll up and down and see what events are selected in your event order or in your unused events. The reason this is somewhat, important, is right now it's set up, at least the way that high school meets in Indiana are run. I don't know if they're run the same in other states, but basically by the events being set up in the event order that you choose, as you time your meet and go between events, it'll automatically proceed to the next event so that you don't have to scroll through and find which event you're about to record for. Now, maybe you're just recording for one athlete and you only want to choose your son or daughter's events. What you would probably want to do instead is find only the events that he or she is in and put those in order on the left. So you would drag events then from the left and put them over on the right, as you won't be needing them. So right now I'm removing the 4x8 relay and some other things. Or vice versa, maybe you're in the indoor season right now and you would like to put some indoor events here. I think if we scroll towards the bottom of the unused events, you can start to see some typical indoor events that they use in college and high school athletics. Basically, you could just then drag these to the left and put them in the order that you want. And if dragging is too big of a pain, you could always hit the minus or the plus to add different events, one way or the other. So 4x1500 meter relay, that's a fun one to watch. Just kidding. Sorry, I'm a sprint coach. Anyway. Back on topic. So you can hit the plus and the minus to remove or add events. You can reorder them as you choose to. And when you're all done, all you do is hit save and it'll update your events. And the reason that's nice is now when I go to my watch and I swipe through, the events should be in the order that I just saved them as. Well, that's all you do to select the events. I hope that's helpful, and good luck with your season. Thank you.